Talk about another big story of the day. And viewers, Congress leader Udit Raj has made a controversial statement on Bahujan Samajwadi Party or BSP Supremo Mayawati. Giving context of Mahabharat, the Congress Neta said it's a time now to strangle Mayawati the way she strangled Dalit rights. Listen in.
कि कृष्ण ने कहा कि अपने सगे संबंधियों को कैसे मारेंगे, तो कृष्ण ने कहा कि कोई सगा संबंधी नहीं है, न्याय के लिए लड़ो और मार दो, अपने लोगों को ही मार दो। तो आज उसी मोड़ पर हमारे कृष्ण ने मुझे कह दिया है कि सबसे पहले जो अपना दुश्मन है उसी को मार दो, और जो सामाजिक न्याय का दुश्मन है जानते हूं, मैंने अपने प्रेस रिलीज में लिख दिया है। वो सुश्री मायावती ने जो सामाजिक आंदोलन का गला घोटा, अब उनका गला घोटने का समय आ गया है।
And the Bharatiya Janata Party, viewers, has slammed the shocking statement that has come from Congress Party's Udit Raj. BJP has hit out at the Congress leader asking, is Rahul Gandhi Udit Raj's Krishna? And there is anger among the Dalit organizations as well against Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party. Listen in.
ऐसा है, कांग्रेस की हालत भी समाजवादी पार्टी जैसे है, और वो हालत इसलिए है कि वहाँ राहुल गांधी जी हैं, अखिलेश यादव जी हैं, जिनके पास ना सोच है, ना मुद्दा है, ना दिशा है। वो केवल हंगामा खड़ा कर देना और लोगों को इस तरीके से आज जो उन्होंने प्रश्न माननीय मायावती जी के ऊपर उठाए हैं, मुझे लगता है कि कांग्रेस को अपने गिरेबान में खुद झांकना चाहिए। उन्होंने दलितों की कब चिंता की है? दलितों की केवल वोट लिए हैं, उनके लिए, उनकी गरीबी मिटाने के लिए, उनका जीवन सरल बनाने के लिए कोई उपाय कांग्रेस ने नहीं किए। अगर उसकी चिंता किसी ने की है तो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने की है।
And we have a reaction coming in from the Samajwadi Party as well. Listen in to how the Samajwadi Party has reacted to the statement from Udit Raj.
मैं ये तो नहीं कहूँगा ये घोर निंदनीय बयान है कि अगर इस तरह का बयान दिया है, लेकिन हाँ, जिस तरह से बहन जी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के दबाव में दलित समाज का आज कोई आवाज़ नहीं उठाती हैं, और आज अगर उनकी आवाज़ कोई उठा रहा है तो केवल समाजवादी पार्टी उठा रही है। संविधान को बचाने की लड़ाई हो, चाहे बाबा साहब के सम्मान की लड़ाई को अगर कोई लड़ रहा है, तो आज माननीय अखिलेश यादव जी लड़ रहे हैं, समाजवादी पार्टी लड़ रही है।
And we have now another update coming in as far as this story is concerned. In fact, Udit Raj of the Congress Party has issued a clarification as well, saying confront those strangling Dalit rights. So this is another clarification, in fact, that has come in from Udit Raj. Let's listen in.
Organized a press conference which we said that the way that Mayawati has throttled Bahujan movement, we see it's a time now she should be exposed. It had become now B team up at BJP, therefore her existence, political existence is no longer relevant, no longer useful to the Bahujan Samaj. This is what I said, and this was nothing to do with the Congress also, because this was a social platform.
And in fact, Mayawati, the BSP Supremo, also reacted to this entire controversy the way Udit Raj made that particular statement. In fact, BSP Chief Mayawati hit back this morning, at Udit Raj, the Congress leader who labelled her as the enemy of social justice. Mayawati claimed a threat to her life as well after Udit Raj's comment today. She posted some tweets on social media platform X. And on the other hand, the Congress Party, viewers, has distanced itself from Udit Raj's remark. Listen in.
किसी भी राष्ट्रीय नेता को और खासकर महिला को ससम्मान संबोधन होना चाहिए। जहां तक भारतीय जनता पार्टी से उनके संबंध के है, तो ये बात तो राजनीतिक रूप से कई बार स्पष्ट हो चुकी है। कई बार इसी सदन में हमने देखा कि उनके जो सदस्य हैं वो भाजपा के साथ खड़े रहे, तो वो एक अलग राजनीतिक विषय है। पर मायावती जी इस प्रदेश की कई बार मुख्यमंत्री रही, एक बड़ी नेता है, उनका सम्मान है।
Let's now go across to my colleague Sabyasachi joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Sabyasachi, it's a pattern now that we are seeing with the Congress Party specifically. One leader from the Congress Party makes a controversial remark, the others conveniently distance themselves from that particular remark. But eventually, the question is, what is the, in fact, role, what is the stand of the Congress party on what Udit Raj has said? Does Rahul Gandhi agree with Udit Raj? And if not, then what action will they take against Udit Raj for making this kind of a statement?
Well, definitely. See, whether it is Sam Pitroda who has given controversial remarks, not only in one incident, but in several incidents in the past, the Congress party just very easily they distance themselves from the statement given by its own leader, stating that this is their own personal remarks and the party has nothing to do with it. Now, in the case of Udit Raj, the comment that he has given against Mayawati, in fact, after that, when we confronted him, in fact, Udit Raj has given a justification why he has given such a statement against Mayawati, stating that in the current situation in Uttar Pradesh and in the entire country, the Mayawati's relevance is absolutely nil as far as the politics in Uttar Pradesh is concerned, as far as the Bahujan Samaj is concerned, and that is the reason why he has drawn the comparison. Now, on the other hand, several Congress leaders like Mr. Rahul Gandhi or Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, who himself is a very strong Dalit leader in the country, all of them are complete silence. In fact, the Congress High Command and media in charge, Jairam Ramesh, also have not openly condemned the remark that has been given by Udit Raj. So clearly the Congress, though right now they have not said anything, but it is Udit Raj who's saying that this is his personal remark. In fact, he has gone to a private event where he was invited as a chief guest, and he put out his own remarks, and his remarks has nothing to do with the Congress party.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you for the moment for joining us with all of those details. Let's now